Hi, I'm Westaway. I'm the CEO of Wild Women on Top and the founder of Coastrek. Did you know that when you sign up for Coastrek, you're not only taking steps towards being fitter, healthier and happier by hiking with your friends, but you're also helping people like Jacqueline and her family. I first met Jacqueline on a recent trip to Rwanda. She was the sole provider for her whole family. She did all the work on the farm, she did all the cooking and all the cleaning because her husband Felician and both of her children were blind. As a mother, it broke my heart to see that much suffering because I know they didn't need to be blind and a simple operation can restore their sight. The money we raise together through Coastrek helps the Fred Hollows Foundation restore sight for as little as $25, which is extraordinary because what I've learned is that 4 out of 5 people who are blind don't need to be. Thanks to the Fred Hollows Foundation, Jacqueline's husband and their children can now see. Felician can go to work, the children can go to school, and Jacqueline has a chance at a happy life. But it's not just the surgery. The money we raise through Coastrek is used to train ophthalmologists and health workers, to purchase equipment and to fund outreach programs. It's an absolutely incredible organisation and I think a real privilege to be part of doing so much good. Since Coastrek began 10 years ago, nearly 25,000 Coastrekkers have raised nearly $20 million to restore sight. So let's go wild, not just with our adventure, trekking the stunning coast, but also by reaching out to friends and family and inviting them to help you give the gift of sight.